So this can be used if you want to drill something. If you want to drill something, drill on the wall or wood. So this impact mode will be your first choice. Okay. So for this impact drill, we got 3 modes here. I just introduced, and we also got a 2-speed grade. Now it's the first speed grade, which is 360 rounds per minute. And when I adjust to this grade, it can reach 1,300 rounds per minute. Let me show you. Now with the lower speed. Now let me switch to higher speed. You see the difference? It's very clear, See? It's very clear, okay? So 2-speed, great, and it is also adjustable, of course, front, reverse, okay? And when you see closer, you can see there is LED here. It is very bright, Okay, now the handle, you can see the handle. This part is TPR material, so you can hold it very tight. Oh, another thing, we got a buckle here, so you can hang it on your belt. Okay, I don't have belt in my trousers, but imagine you got a belt. You can put it wherever you want. You want to put it here, no problem. You want to put it here, also no problem. Okay, very convenient, right? Okay, so this is a brief introduction for this impact